I today got a project. I did it with myself. I started to get a car wheels and 2 sticks and a chart. I put it under the chart for a holder, like you see here, a holder. And then I bought a solar panel connected with a switch and a motor. So I got it. It cost £300. And then I stick it with a glue gun on this chart. So when I put it in the sun, it's gonna work like a fan, and instead of heat, it's filled with wind. It's good, yeah. And I put this one for decoration. And
Okay, can we see it? Can we see it? Can you put it in the sun?
Yeah, I can now show it. I put it. I pressed this switch. Some good wind. It's great. Yeah. So this project is not hard. So if you want to do a great project, you only need to get all the things you're gonna do. All you need to get the things to be ready. And do not keep buying something then something. You only need to get all the things ready, put it on your desk here, and start working. But the most important thing that you have the materials and the glue gun to stick the things. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and good comment. Bye.
Can you please say your name and where from?
So my name is Mohammed. I'm from Egypt.
Okay.
So, okay, thank you. Bye.